Hello everyone, I want to tell you how to run the macro to test your catalog that you are creating. As you send me, we have three different categories. We have dark white, we have double dark, and we have standard. Why we have these categories and why we should have different types of catalog to send to our customers. We mainly send it to our schools, okay? If you look at here, you can see that in the Excel file that we have a column which is called dark color and the other one which is called light color and then color group, okay? For example, this school color for this school is navy and gray. So whenever we want to send them the catalog, they are just looking for navy and gray jerseys. They will never ask us to send them, for example, red jerseys or yellow jerseys because it's not their colors, okay? But we always send them black, white, and gray because these three colors are neutral colors. So no matter that it's their color or not, they will sometimes ask for these colors as well. For example, if the color is navy and the jersey that we have is black, we should use a chevron on the black ones which is navy or which is gray, okay? So if we give them the black jersey alone, they will never ask for that one. But if we will give them black jersey with navy chevron or black jersey with the gray chevron on it, which these two colors are their school's color, they may ask for that and place order. So this is the reason why we are categorized and why we are creating catalogs according to the color combination. I hope this explanation will help you guys to realize it better. Now, for testing that, as you can see, there are different color combination here that all these Excel files are ready to be sent, but we should wait till the catalog are ready to send. But right now I will tell you how to run the macro so that you can see what's going on after creating the macro, after running the macro, and when it will return you the PDF file that we are gonna send and we are gonna email to the schools. I created a file, for example, for a standard one, I just put a test folder here as a navy and gold. And for running the macro, you have to have these folders. One, CDR, so that all the CDR files that is creating will be placed here. Then final output, that all the color combination PDFs according to standard, dark white, and double dark will be placed here. Then we will have a master sheet. For the master sheet, you can, because you are just running it as a test, you can use this master sheet as well. Just, it's a bit, let's open it. As you can see, it's only navy and gold. And as you are creating the catalog, you can see that, for example, for navy and gold, the colors of the jerseys will never change and the chevron ones will never change as well. The only thing that will change is the mascot and a school name and nothing else. So no matter whether it's navy or gold or anything else, as it is, we can run a test, okay? I will give you guys these Excel file so that you can test anything that you want. So the only important part is that you should have these two folders in yours. Then you should open, let me close everything because it's taking a long time to run it. I should close the Coral file because it was running. So you have your catalog one that you want to test. You have this master sheet that you can test, that I will give you the master sheet, and you should create the CDR folder and final output for that. Let me see what's going on. Okay. Now I will run the Coral file. Here we have run macro. We click run macro, and here we select catalog macro, this last version, okay, and then run. Here you need to give the location of the file that you want to create. So I want to create the navy and gold, so I will select this path and put it here. Then for the mockup file name, it should be the Coral file, the catalog file that you created. So it's navy and gold, I will just put it here. Then for the data file name, you should use the master sheet that I will give you just as a test. You can put it here, and here you should give it a range, for example 0 to 20, okay, and just click go. And if you go to the final output, you can see that it's creating a folder here, and navy and gold is a standard, so the folder will be a standard. If you go through that, you can see that it's creating the PDFs. Okay, after creating, even if it's one file, it's enough. You don't need to wait till it's finished, so because you are just gonna test that whether it's working correctly or not. At the beginning, you should see that whether it changed the school's name and the address or not, so change, it's working. Then you should check that whether it's changed the mascot and a school name or not, so it changed, so it's working correctly. Just go through it. You can see here this picture is not correct, so it means that your Coral file for the catalog is not working correctly. So you should go to your Coral file again and make it correct and save it again and run the macro again, and then check it whether it's working correctly or not. If you go through it again, then you can realize that, for example, right now it's just have that problem for one of the items, but here again, this item should be fixed. Also, this one should be fixed. This one has the problem. And this one, these ones, and also these ones. All these ones should be corrected. So it means that this Coral file is not correct, and it's not right that we use it for sending. As you can see, it is not working correctly, and these two are not assigned. So you should make them correct. Okay? So this is the way that we test. We run the macro, and then we will test that whether it's working correctly or not. And as I said, you only need one file. So whenever you receive the one file, you can check it, and if it's working correctly, that will be fine. Again, it was in Catalog macro, the last version, and then run and place the working paths, then the mockup file, which is the catalog name that you are creating, and then the master sheet that I can give you as a test, and then just put from to any numbers that you want, 10, 20, any, and then click go, and then check inside the folder that you created and final output, and then the folder that is created. Navy and gold is a standard, so it has a standard folder, and then inside that you can check the PDF file, and if it's not working correctly you should go and fix the Corel file. I hope this explanation helped you guys. Okay, good luck.